Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Bitget to Binance. All right, so first up under Bitget, just go ahead and go to the top right onto the wallet icon, and then just go ahead and tap on withdraw. Okay, click on it, wait for it to load. Now go ahead and select the coin that you would like to transfer. For example, you wanted to send USDT to your Binance account. Well, just click on this drop down right here, select USDT, and then go ahead and select the network. Okay. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and select the network TRC20 or Tron. Now, as you can see here, it needs a withdrawal address. So let's go ahead and get that under Binance. Okay, go ahead over to your wallet, overview, just like so. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go ahead and tap on deposit. Okay, click on deposit and just go ahead and click on on-chain deposit. Okay, so send crypto to your Binance account. Click on this option. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and select the coin, USDT, and the network. Make sure that it matches. So we have selected Tron under Bitget. Let's go ahead and select Tron right here. And then once done, here we have our deposit address from Binance. So just copy it, go back to your Bitget account, paste that in here, and just go ahead and click on next. Okay, the next page, it will ask you what amount, okay, of USDT would you like to transfer to Binance. So for example, 10 right here, as the minimum is 10. Okay, and here you have the transaction fee, which is 1.5 USDT. And then here we have the total amount that you will receive. So if you're happy with it, just click on withdraw right here. And in no time, you will receive your transferred USDT from Bitget to Binance under your, of course, Binance wallet. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to transfer crypto from Bitget to Binance. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.